So normally everybody can, let me say, from the management up or maintenance, not maintenance manager, we talk in English together, but not the operator on the machine. So this is why everything can be translated in eMaint in their language. That's really good. So we create also the request app. It's in their language. So they have not to think about how is it named in English or something else. They can do it in the local language. Also the currency is also in every factory. We use a different kind of currency about the country. So it's there.
And also I think one of the biggest goals that we had was how we can make the life easier for the maintenance technicians. For the maintenance planners, for the guys that are working in the front line every day in maintaining our assets. No? So that was one of the biggest goals that we had.